Oklahoma Joe's, and welcome to the detailed breakdown of our Longhorn Reverse Flow offset smoker. So what is reverse flow? Well, let me start by explaining how a traditional offset smoker works. Basically, you're going to build your fire in your firebox. The heat and smoke off of that fire is going to travel through your smoke chamber, smoke and cook the food inside here, and exhaust out of a smokestack that's mounted opposite the firebox. Well, the first thing that you can notice here on reverse flow that's different, your smokestack is mounted on the side of the firebox. And let me go ahead and look inside to kind of show you how else it's different. So underneath your cooking grates, you're going to see 4 porcelain-coated baffles. And what these do is actually direct the heat and smoke from the firebox underneath your cooking surface, up around across the cooking surface, and out the smokestack that is mounted on the firebox side. So that's going to be that reverse flow that we're referring to. And it results in a much more even temperature across the smoke chamber, and you also get some good radiant heat off of those panels to help cook throughout the entire smoke. You'll also notice here a secondary plug that is provided, so if you did want to use it more like a traditional offset smoker, you have that option. You just unscrew the smokestack from its mounting point and swap out the cover, and now you have a traditional offset if you wanted to use it in that way. So put these back. The other upgrade that's included in your reverse flow smoker is a stainless steel charcoal basket that you can build your fires in. So this does a great job at containing your fire, which makes it easier to maintain in the end. So those are going to be the upgrades that you get with the reverse flow version of the Longhorn, but you're still getting the same high quality product as our original Longhorn, meaning 2.5mm cold rolled steel construction in your firebox and smoke chamber, all coated in a high temp paint. You're going to be getting 750 square inches of cooking surface in your smoke chamber, 310 in your firebox for a total of 1,060 square inches of total cooking space. You're also going to get great features like our cool touch handle, our high quality temp gauge, our large expanded metal shelf in the front there. And if you're interested in learning about all the other great features that come on the Longhorn, we actually did an overview of the original Longhorn where I go into a lot more depth about these individual features. So that has been the detailed breakdown of our Longhorn Reverse Flow offset smoker. I hope you liked the video and I hope you like this smoker. For more information about it and the other products that we offer, please visit oklahomajoes.com. Thank you so much for watching.